Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support helps our channel grow and allows us to keep creating valuable content for you. Let's keep learning and growing together. Thanks for being part of our community. Dopamine detox, how it works and its benefits. Dopamine detox is a practice that has gained popularity in recent years. Dopamine is the neurotransmitter responsible for making us feel pleasure and reward. In the modern world, where we are constantly bombarded by stimuli that activate these circuits, such as social media, fast food, gaming, and other easily accessible activities, we create a cycle of incessant pursuit of instant gratification. The goal of dopamine detox is to break this cycle and help the brain restore a healthy level of response to dopamine. Why dopamine detox is important? When we are exposed to constant stimuli, like social media likes or fast food, our brain becomes accustomed to these high levels of dopamine, making it less sensitive and requiring more to reach the same level of pleasure. This can lead to addictions, difficulties in concentration, procrastination, and even depression. Dopamine detox helps reduce this dependency, allowing the brain to return to a balanced state where it responds better to simpler and healthier stimuli. How dopamine detox works. Dopamine detox involves temporarily reducing or eliminating activities that strongly stimulate dopamine. The idea is to give the brain's reward system a reset. It doesn't mean you'll completely stop producing dopamine, as that's impossible, but rather reduce exposure to activities that flood the brain with it. Common practices include staying away from social media, avoiding fast food, and not engaging in gaming or intense entertainment for a period. Step-by-step guide to dopamine detox. Choose a time frame. Decide how long you want to do the dopamine detox. It can be a few hours per day, an entire day per week, or even a full weekend. 2. Identify your triggers. Make a list of activities that most activate your reward system. Social media, gaming, fast food, and even television are common examples. 3. Replace with healthy habits. Instead of exposing yourself to intense stimuli, opt for calmer activities like reading a book, walking in nature, meditating, or exercising. 4. Gradually increase. If a full day seems too much, start with shorter periods and increase as you feel comfortable. Benefits of dopamine detox. 1. Improved concentration. Without the constant distractions that surround us, dopamine detox helps enhance the ability to focus and concentrate on important tasks. 2. Reduced stress and anxiety. By disconnecting from activities that generate anxiety and seeking healthier alternatives, stress levels tend to decrease. 3. Increased overall well-being. When the brain starts adapting to less intense rewards, the pleasure derived from simple activities, like a good meal or a conversation, increases. 4. Greater control over habits. Dopamine detox helps identify behavioral patterns that lead to addiction to quick rewards, making it easier to replace them with healthier and more sustainable habits. Practical examples of dopamine detox. 1. Disconnecting from social media. Spend an entire day without accessing Instagram, Facebook, or any other platform. 2. Avoiding processed food. Spend a weekend with home-cooked meals and natural foods. 3. Quality time without technology. Dedicate a few hours to reading, meditating, or simply being present without the interference of electronic devices. 4. Digital silence. Spend a few hours or a full day without any type of digital entertainment, such as TV, streaming, or video games. Conclusion. Dopamine detox is a powerful tool for reconnecting the brain to a healthier way of experiencing pleasure and reward. In a world full of distractions and intense stimuli, practicing this method can bring greater well-being, productivity, and emotional balance. If you're looking for a way to improve your quality of life and reduce dependency on artificial stimuli, dopamine detox is an effective strategy.